Hello everyone, if you are looking for electric kettle, this can be one of the best kettle available in the market. This is 1.7 liter and 2400 watt. So there is also indicators for water level. So I have been using this kettle from some time. So let me share my views with you. So this is the kettle base. And this is kettle. So I have been using it from more than 6 months. Finishing is very good. And it's very convenient. There is a water level 1 cup, 2 cup, 3 cup and 4 cup approx 1 liter and up to 1.7 liter. This is the on off button. There is filter as well. It can be removed easily. I have been using it for more than 6 months and still you will be seeing that the finishing is still very good. And it can be put again. So it will not get removed easily. Whenever you will pull it, it will come out and then you have to press it or to get it attached again. This is lock. And this is very lightweight, not very heavy. This is electric base and we can arrange the wire accordingly. If we need lengthy wire, then we can remove it from here, and if you would like to get it short level, then just make it wherever you want. And it can also be done in another way, like this and like this. Let's check the wire length. It's around 27 or 28 inches. This is a 16 ampere plug, the bigger one. So let's check it. I have given power to the base, and now we can keep it by anyway. It's 360 degree, so we can keep it anyway. So it will get attached to this one where power we have given the power. So let's add water to test it. This is automatically, once water got hot, you can stop it between, or you can, it will also get shut down automatically. Just press is below to get it started. If you would like to stop it between, you can make it upper side, and you will still see that water has been started warming. Let's keep it again and let it get stop automatically. Water is boiling. See, it has been got automatically off as the water has been boiling. So you can see it just took few seconds. Let's put hot water in it. So it's hot water. So this is very convenient with the capacity, and by keeping it anywhere with 360 degree rotation, and it can also get automatically shut down, and there is also water filter. So overall it's the best what I got from the market, and I am very satisfied with this. Thank you for watching the video.